Hey everyone, in this video we will learn how to install a standard gateway in Power BI. So let's start. So I've just got Google open and I'll say download Power BI gateway, hit enter, and I'll click on the first link. And then I click on download it in standard mode. So I can go ahead and do that. And while it downloads, I've already got this downloaded. So I right click on this. And you need to run this as an administrator. So I'll run this as an admin and I'll click yes. And I'm okay with the location that it's mentioning. I accept the terms and conditions and I click on install. So we'll just let this install. So now I will just add the email address that I want to be used. And I'll click on the sign in button. And I'll pick the same credentials that I want to use. And I click sign in. And I'll just click on register a new gateway. Click enter. I'll call it the standard gateway demo. And I'll enter a recovery key. This is, let's say I want to move the gateway from this machine to another machine, or I want to recover the gateway on a later date by installing it on another hardware. That's when I need this. So I'll just put in the credentials for that. So now standard gateway. So I'll just click on configure and it will install the gateway on my laptop. Ideally, you want to install the gateway on a server which is available at all times. And you can see now that it has configured it for us. So I can look at all of this. So now we'll just go back to the Power BI service and see whether it's available. So I'm already logged into the Power BI service and I'll go onto the settings tab and I'll click on manage gateways. And you can see it's giving me standard gateway demo is available. And I'll just click apply. I'll make sure that I'm added as an admin, which is already there. So in this video, we've learned how to install a standard gateway on premises. I hope you find this video useful and thanks for watching this video.